Stop. If you are learning English but still struggling to speak fluently, there is one habit that is slowing you down and most people don't even realize it. Hello everyone, my name is Rehan and today I'm going to show you why you are not improving in English even after learning grammar, even after watching so many videos and how you can fix it. The problem is simple. You are translating Hindi to English every time. Think about this. When you want to say something in English, what happens? First, you think in Hindi, then you try to convert it into English, then you speak. And in this process, you become slow, you get confused, and sometimes you just stop speaking. This is the real reason. Let me tell you something honestly. I used to do the same. Whenever I tried to speak English, first I thought in Hindi, then I tried to translate it, and it was very frustrating. Sometimes I knew what I wanted to say, but I couldn't say it. I got stuck, and slowly I started losing confidence. Then one day I realized something very important. If I keep translating, I will never speak fluently. Never. Because translation makes everything slow. So I made a decision. I stopped thinking in Hindi and started thinking directly in English. Not big sentences, just simple thoughts. For example, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need to study. What am I doing? These are small sentences, but they train your brain. In the beginning, it felt strange. My brain was slow. I couldn't think fast. Sometimes I went blank, but I didn't stop. I continued every day and slowly something started changing. My brain became faster. I didn't need to translate anymore, and speaking became natural. Let me explain why translation is a problem. Reason number one, it slows you down. You are doing double work. First, think in English, and then you convert it into English. That takes time. Reason number two, you get stuck. If you don't know one word, you stop completely. Reason number three, you lose confidence because you always think, is this correct? Am I using the right tense? That's why you feel stuck. Now, I'm going to talk about 5 simple steps. If you follow these steps, you can become a fluent and confident speaker. Step number one, think in simple English. Don't try big sentences. Start small. What am I doing? Where am I going? You don't need to think about your grammar. Just speak and think in English. Step number two, talk to yourself. Yes, it feels weird, but it works. Speak your thoughts in English. You can also record yourself and even speak in front of mirror. Step number three, don't translate. If you don't know a word, don't go back to Hindi. Use simple English. Step number four, daily practice. Do this every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Consistency is everything. Pick a topic and talk about the topic for at least 10 minutes. This will build confidence. Step number five, be patient. In the beginning, it will feel difficult, but that's normal because fluency takes time. You can't become a fluent speaker within a month, so be patient. Let's do something together. Right now, look around you and say in English, what am I saying? Try it. Remember this, you don't need perfect English, you need practice. You don't need grammar first, you need speaking. If you keep translating, you will stay stuck. If you start thinking in English, you will improve. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. Do you translate or think in English?